No, hey, YouTube, we're going to learn Santigold's song, Disparate Youth. We're going to learn an easy way to play it. But before we do that, I'll show you how it's being played as recorded. C sharp, major. This is A sharp major, or minor chord, and then F minor. And that's the chord where they do that real fast strumming on. All right, but you notice these are all a half step above chords we might normally play on guitar. So if we just change it down a half step, we get C, then we got A minor, then we got E minor. And those are very good chords to play in the open position. I see a lot of people doing cover versions of this song. Oh, oh, Now it's a little harder to play this style of music, which is kind of like I call it like dance reggae, kind of dance electronica / reggae, because the guitar is being played on like the offbeat a lot of the times, and a lot of times it's muted, and so. Now you could do, I've seen people do like, just play arpeggios. You kind of like playing it on the beat. If you're going to kind of like strum it and play it, you're going to have to do palm muting. You're going to have to use your strumming hand, and you have to put it on the strings and take it off. You're doing some muting with your fretting hand as well. So what you want to do is keep your hand going with the beat, and then just kind of like let the sound come out when you want it to. So it's like da 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 da. Those are the beats you want to hear, and then you get some scratch. It repeats twice. It stays longer on the E minor. So C, A minor, E minor, E minor again. That's the whole chord progression for this song. I don't know. You could probably do it some kind of other strumming arrangement. Something like that would be fine. So you just have to decide, how you would like to perform it, and how close you want to be to the original. Okay, that's it. That's my lesson for Santigold Disparate Youth. I think that's kind of interesting. It's got real good lyrics, I think. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.